Hi, my name is Dr Maria Harriet Stack, and I'm just finishing off my video from last night. Um, I have one just urge collect, and I referred to my 7-in-1 moisturizer as the foundation, and all of you know that the 7-in-1 only is moisturizer, and I've just changed that in the description in the video down below. Now, the lighting has changed since last night. I'm just using natural lighting today, so I'm decided that I was going to use the lesser pigment of those two, and it's quite a lot, so that's the lesser pigment. I'm just going to put a little bit more on, just as we are putting the foundation as we were doing it last night. So we're not buffing too much. We're just patting into the skin, and very gently, and so that the we're not taking the foundation off the skin after we put it on, and so that it sort of sticks to the primer which we had last night and which I've used again today. So we're going to use the lighter of the two that I got in Spain, of the tint Idol, which is the Ultra Wear, which I think is a very good foundation, and is always picked as one of the top sort of leading brands, albeit a little expensive, but it's not the most expensive, but certainly it always wins the awards, and it's my time using it. So let's just try some. And let's put that on, and I just finished this off again, just as we said earlier on. I have done my eyes, and I have very gently just patting this on. I think stamping was too hard a word, because that's not good for the skin. That's just pushing too much. But what I meant was patting it in, tapping it into the skin, as opposed to taking it all off with big, huge sort of round motions, which will remove the skin, the foundation onto the brush, which you don't want to do. And you can see that I've done that. There's we will see how much foundation is in the brush after I finish. I'll show it to you. So here we are. We're just at the end stage of the prep and the foundation. You've had part one of the video, so you know what I'm talking about. So I just show you very close to the camera. You can see that it is a lovely foundation, and it's pretty airbrushed, if you like. I just put some down my neck so that it doesn't. Some people are doing now their ears as well. It's kind of the latest trend. So I would only do that at the very end, because it could get a bit messy. So that's the foundation. Really, quite nicely applied with this brush, the Kesh Ema brush, and you can see there's really nothing on the brush now. It's all pretty much on my face, and it is very evenly applied, and there's no streaking or anything like that. Now, because we've got a little bit more time, I'm looking at the clock here, we'll just, what else would we do? We don't really have any colour on the face. It is a nice sort of airbrush effect. So I think we'll just do a little bit of contouring and highlighting and concealing, and of course I've and then we'll put some a very small amount of powder to set all that, and then just a spray, if I can find it, the hydrating mist to set everything. So I've got I got the Wet and Wild stick when I was abroad, and really I only want to use a tiny bit of this contour stick under the cheekbones, and I only like to use it at the side of the face. I do not want to bring colour of the into the face, the middle of the face. So I only want to have this foundation, if you like, contour at the side of the face. So this part of the face is not in the picture of the contour. And I know a lot of people want to contour around their hairline, and that's fine. And people want to chisel their chin out if they feel they have a double chin, and just to get rid of that sort of horrible look of people smile having that sort of double chin. I fortunately we don't have that, but it's sort of fairly normal at a certain age that some subcutaneous fat will develop in an area which we prefer not to. So that's the contour, and I'm just going to again just tap it. I don't want to spread it everywhere. I just want to tap it, and I'm going to tap it up because I just want that feeling of a facelift in everything I do with colour. So we will just bring that up, and again here on this side sort of tap into the colour, into the contour, and I might have to do a tiny bit of blending, but I don't want to do too much because I just want to tap this into the face, into the side of the face, to get that lift with the contour, the shadow, I guess is what we're after, shadow, so that we conceal this sort of outer part of our face. The side of our face doesn't appear, if you like, because the contour stops it doing that. And then we just do it under here again. I'm just watching that the clock, because it's actually going fairly quickly, and so I'll just do what I can, and then just here, I really want to do just a bit of concealing. I can't find the one I'm looking for, so I'll just use this one that's near to me here, and again we're talking about just lifting everything, and here again, so lifting everything for that sort of plastic surgery look, if you like, because that's what plastic surgery does. It lifts the areas of, it lifts the face, tightens and lifts and tightens the face, so that the looseness of age is concealed and removed. The saggy skin is removed, and then it's sewn back together again. That's a bit sort of crude, but that's basically it. And there are other non-surgical ways of tightening the skin as well, which really I'm a fan of non-surgical ways whenever possible. So let's just do that.